This video shows you how to install CashFootprint step by step to get it up and running in just a few minutes. Go ahead and navigate to lothail.com in your web browser. Click on Downloads at the top, sign in, and click Access Downloads. Under CashFootprint Point of Sale, click on Download Installer. Once the download's done, click on the file to run it. You may see a Windows Protected Your PC message. Click on More Info and then Run Anyway. Next, the system might ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. Once the setup appears, go ahead and click Setup. That's going to unzip the CashFootprint installer. Once the installer appears, 99% of the time you're going to click Install. If you are looking to change your server name or database name or login password, you can do that. Click Install. If you have CashFootprint installed already, it will install it first. Once the installer appears, go ahead and click I agree. Click Next. On the setup screen, you've got Main Computer. That's recommended for most first-time installs. That's where the database will be created and allow sharing on the network for other additional registers to connect to. You've got Additional Register, which is an install of CashFootprint only. There's no database installed. You'll use this when you're connecting to an existing database, and then Upgrade or Reinstall, you'll use that for uninstalling and reinstalling the software. It will keep the same connection, so once the install is complete, you can just reconnect to the existing database. I'm going to choose Main Computer, click Next. I'm going to confirm the installation folder and click Next. CashFootprint's going to install, and then at the end I just click Close. Now CashFootprint's going to go through and set up the new database. Once the database setup is complete, it's going to restart the server, apply any firewall rules. That's it, the setup's complete. Go ahead and launch CashFootprint. The default username is manager, and the password is password. On the software evaluation and activation screen, you can choose to evaluate either version, standard or professional. You can also choose to activate or buy now. That option will appear every time you start the program until you purchase. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.